beauties, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay, I hope you're popping. Guys, in today's video we are going to be doing 5-minute makeup. This is going to be the first 5 minutes makeup, okay, the first one. Okay, so it's just gonna be natural, nothing crazy, and it's gonna be quick. This is the kind of makeup I do when I go to work, like when I go to do bridal makeup, when I have to wake up early in the morning. I don't have time to do the full glam, so this is the type that I do. Okay, so if you're the kind of person like a bride that want your makeup to last all day, you don't want this kind of makeup. It's not going to last you more than 2 hours. It's something that you just wear for an hour for a quick interview or for a quick introduction, okay? But it's not going to last you all day, but it's very fresh. It's going to make you look natural and fresh, okay? So I've got all my makeup here, okay? So this is where I store my makeup. This is the makeup that I use every day. I also have my brushes here. You don't need a lot of brushes for 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I've got 6 brushes here. You don't need a lot of brushes. And I also have this one, which is just a tiny brush. But yeah, so let's get started. This is 5 minutes quick glam, okay? So yeah, I usually start with a primer. Even though it's a quick glam, you still need to moisturize your face. Very important. It's just like a skincare as well. This is MAC Prep and Prime, okay? So let's do that. So today I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty, and this is the shade 300. Again, gosh, Fenty Beauty is not thick at all. Like, look at that, just dropping, boom. Not thick at all, which is good for this kind of natural look. Okay, so I'm gonna use the brush. I usually use a stripling brush when I want that quick glam, because you don't have time to use beauty blender. Just use a stripling brush. You can use a stripling brush or a kabuki brush. So just use that to kind of blend everything in. Using a brush gives you that airbrush finish. So you just kind of blend everything towards your neck like so. And yeah, that's foundation done. Powder. Sometimes I skip powder in the winter, but because it's summer, I'm gonna set, okay? This is MAC Pro Longwear powder, and this is medium golden. So we're gonna set. Did you see? I like to use a big brush as well because it also gives you that airbrush finish. This one is from Real Techniques. So after that, I use a darker powder from MAC Cosmetics. This one is NW45. Any darker powder will do. Apply it how you normally apply your blush, okay? So it's like 2 in 1. So you're contouring at the same time, applying it like you're applying your blush, because you brought it to the apple of your cheek here. So it's like giving you that blush effect. Using an angled brush, I'm going to pick NC45, which is a little bit darker than my complexion, but not so much. I'm going to use that to contour. This is that natural, very, very natural. You can't even see it. So that's it for the nose. As you can tell, I use that angle brush and I pick the contour powder again, the NW45, or any powder that is darker than your complexion at all. You can apply that here. Pack it on. Pack as much as you can pack on until you're happy with the pigment or the color. So to create shadow here, I just sweep that same contour powder just here. You see how I created the shadow there? And just do this. Because I don't apply liner, I always bring the shadow out like so. So it creates that cat eye effect like this. Do you see that? So I just bring it out and I just blend it out again here. Okay, so this is it. highlighter, MAC Oh Darling. So I apply that here. Not every time I apply highlighter, guys. Sometimes I just leave my face like so. Don't apply highlighter. But you can skip this step. Sometimes, not every time I apply highlighter, but you have to blend it out. Okay, after you finish blending it out, you go back with the blush powder and you go like this to blend it together. So, as you can tell, I'm gonna draw my brows. I'm using dark brown and black brown Rimmel brow pencil. So I'm gonna first of all draw the darker one under. You have to be really careful because you're not using concealer. Then you draw the other side. Yeah. So this is the darker one, which is black brown. So now I'm going to use dark brown, which is much brown. So when you're happy, you just fill it in. Okay, I think I'm happy. Let's just draw a few strokes here. Okay, not bad. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna apply mascara. Sometimes I apply mascara like twice or 3 times because it makes it look like you have fake lashes on. Apply mascara to the bottom lashes as well. Trust me, if you go back and do this step, your face will look contoured. Always do that. Your face will look contoured to the gods. So that's it, guys. So to just finish up, I just set all over my neck like this, because you know I just like to apply more powder, because the more powder you apply, the more your makeup is gonna last. Okay, so guys, that's it for my 5 minutes quick makeup. Okay, if you see my intro, like most of my intros, this is how I do my makeup. 5 minute quick makeup for the intro. Okay, I'm gonna do more 5 minute quick makeup with shimmers, like shimmery shadows, different colors, different eyeshadow look, but quick, like nothing serious. Okay, but yes, I'm gonna put on my wig. Bye guys, see you soon.